Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Today, I will guide you step by step toward becoming less rigid. First, notice where you hold tension and where rules feel absolute in life. Identify one belief you defend automatically and one small habit you can bend. Write the belief down and then write a gentle alternative you could try instead. Practice a 5-minute shift where you do the opposite small action on purpose. Repeat this exercise 3 times per week to create new flexibility pathways. Be patient and kind to yourself during this gradual change. Begin each morning with a simple breathing break to lower immediate reactivity. Count 4 seconds in, hold 2 seconds, and breathe out 6 seconds intentionally. Next, practice asking open questions before deciding or correcting someone else. Say, "Help me understand your choice," and listen without planning a rebuttal. Try a tiny experiment once per week to test a flexible behavior change. Set a visible boundary, like allowing 20 minutes of unplanned time daily. Track results in simple notes and celebrate small wins to reinforce new habits. Sustain flexibility by reframing inflexible thoughts into curiosity-based questions each day. Replace "I must" with "I can try" and observe the outcome for learning. Use self-compassion when you revert. Name the feeling and breathe softly for 30 seconds. Schedule one social experiment per month to practice flexibility with trusted people. Journal 5 lines about what changed and what felt difficult after each experiment. Reward any progress with treats or a 30-minute break you enjoy. Revisit your values monthly to ensure flexibility aligns with what matters most to you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.